Let's make the best linguine clams you'll ever try. Restaurant style, super easy, and absolutely delicious. Start by cooking your linguine, and then you're gonna take a cold pan, add some cold oil to it and a bunch of garlic, and we're gonna cook that until beautiful and golden brown. I'm using chopped canned clams. You can use whatever you like. And I'm also using frozen, cooked through whole clams. Now I like to do this because I hate cleaning fresh clams, but you can use whatever you have on hand. Once our garlic is beautiful and golden brown, I'm gonna add my canned clams, I'm gonna add a half a stick of butter, and I'm gonna add chicken stock. Now some people use white wine. I don't cook with wine, but you can add whatever you like. And we're gonna let this simmer for 5 minutes. And then once that comes up to a nice beautiful simmer, we're gonna add our whole clams just for them to heat through. Towards the very end, we're gonna add freshly ground black pepper, and then we're gonna taste, of course, making sure everything is perfect and to our liking. Our very last thing is fresh parsley, of course, don't forget that, and a squeeze of lemon, and then you're ready to go. To our hot pasta, we're gonna add a bunch of Parmesan cheese for an extra hint of flavor, and of course our clams, and there you have it, the best linguine clams you will ever try. Please be sure to like this video, comment down below and let me know your favorite Italian dish, and thank you for watching Irma Sofra.